Hey girls, today I've got an amazing recipe for you. It's called Better Than Botox. Yep, even better than real Botox. It's a 100% natural night cream that tightens your skin, keeps it hydrated, and helps reduce wrinkles. All without any chemicals. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Super hydrating and helps your skin renew itself. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, soaked for 30 minutes. They're packed with omega-3 and antioxidants that make your skin smoother and fresher. Half a teaspoon of green tea, one of the best ingredients to fight aging and wrinkles. And if you have vitamin E, add about half a teaspoon. It nourishes the skin and helps fade dark spots. Mix everything really well until it looks creamy, then apply a thin layer on your face before going to bed. Leave it overnight and wash it off with lukewarm water in the morning. Do this 3 to 4 times a week and you'll see the difference. Your skin will look tighter, softer, and naturally glowing. Quick tip, do a small patch test before the first use, just to make sure your skin's okay with it. And keep the cream in the fridge or in a cool, dark place. Try it out and tell me what you think, but I'm sure you'll love